You all want to see what the potential is like renting and buying property in Boquete? Check this out. So we're back to quarantine days where Panama is locked down, mostly Panama City and Panama Oeste. Really and truly they extended Panama Oeste and Panama City to the 14th and then the 19th as the numbers kept increasing, which kind of restricted places outside of Panama City as well, and that rendered me a bit immobile to be able to go out and do the adventures that I would really like. So I ended up focusing on other things within Boquete, and that's when the idea struck me, okay, if I can't go out on adventures, why not create something that can show what the potential of owning and renting property is like in Panama. This entire video is going to show you from the hilltops with grand views to little tucked away houses and lots of land and so on that are not only already inhabited, but what's potentially out there for sale and rent. This place is just, of course, majestic. So, enjoy. Speaking of property, if you are interested in purchasing or renting property here in Panama, whether it be Boquete with those beautiful views that you just saw, or it could be anywhere in Panama, beachfront properties, mountains, anywhere, city. If you're interested in owning or renting property here, or even just relocating to Panama and you want information on that, be sure to email me at richard@ipreinfo.com. and I'll be able to direct you to the right people who would be able to help you along with those things. So, without further ado, let's get back into those properties and visuals. you see what the potential is like and what a marvel this place is. We're actually prepping for an adventure right now. It's not going to be as intense as, say, a Kiki waterfall, which if you haven't seen that as yet, go check it out. The link is right there. But it's two very nice trails. One takes you to this huge tree. The other trail will take us to a ridge where the view is phenomenal. It actually shows you from Gulf of Chiriquí and all those rolling mountains on the left all the way to Volcan Barú on the right, and the sunset there is just amazing. So we are preparing to embark on that mission tomorrow, which is Sunday, while I release this video for you today. So be sure to tune in next week to see what that adventure looks like. You'll see some familiar faces and new friends as well. See you next week. Like, subscribe if you want to see those new videos. Thank you folks, and see you in the next one. Peace.